Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to construct a pentagon by using general method. Given side of the pentagon is 5 centimeters. Let us draw one of its side AB. AB is 5 centimeters. Take a compass, put it at A and the radius AB. Draw a semicircle. Now extend this line to touch the semicircle like this. So we know that this complete angle in a semicircle is 180 degrees and the sides of the pentagon is 5. So we should divide the semicircle into 5 equal parts. So 180 divided by 5 is 36 degrees. Take a protractor and mark at every 36 degrees. 36 plus 36 is 72. 72 plus 36 is 108. 108 plus 36 is 144. 144 plus 36 is 180 degrees. Now take a scale and draw lines passing through that 36 degrees. 36. Next passing through 72 degrees. Next passing through 108 degrees. Passing through 144 degrees. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the compass and same radius 5 centimeters. Put it at B and draw arc as shown here. Now from this point draw another arc as shown here. So this point will be C, this point will be D and this point will be E. Draw lines joining these points. BC, CD, DE. So this is the required pentagon A, B, C, D, E. Thank you so much for watching.